afternoon, my dears. How are you today? Fine. Say, all of you, how you will say? I am fine. Thank you. I am fine. Thank you. Very good, my dears. Okay. Before starting our class, what we will do first? We will do prayer. What we will do? We will do prayer. So, join your hands and close your eyes. Open your eyes, hands down. Okay. So, who I am? Tell me, what is my name? What is my name? My name is Mahajan. I am your English teacher. Who I am? I am your English teacher. Okay. What is the name of your school? What is the name of your school? The name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. The name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. In which class you are studying? In which class you are studying? So how you will say? I am studying in class LKG. I am studying in class LKG. Okay, my dears. We have learned phonics sound from letter A to R. We have learned phonics sound of letter A to R. So today we will learn phonics sound of letter S. Of letter S and T. What we will learn? Today we will learn phonics sound of letter S and T. Okay. So look here, I have brought pictures and we will start a phonics sound. To learn phonics sound of letter S and T. Okay. First we will learn phonics sound of letter S. Okay. Do you know S? Do you know train is there? Okay. And you have seen train? Yes? Okay. So train is there. So train has its own sound. Now how it makes sound? It makes sound like this? Yes. So letter also have their sound. Letter also have their sound. A car. When you drive, when you are going anywhere in car, so the car make horn on it. So please side. Yes. So horn is the sound of car. Like that. S has sound. First we will look what come from letter S. S for sun. S for star. S for snake. S for starfish. S for number 7. S for number 7. S for spider. You have seen spider? Yes. S for spoon. S for spoon. Yes. You eat your rice and things with spoon. Yes. S for spoon. So the sound of S is how the snake make noise. The snake make noise like this. So sound of S is the sound of S is means the sound of S is the sound of S is you also do like this. The sound of letter S is how snake make noise. The sound of S is sound of S is S. Look here. S, S, sun. S, S, sun. S, S, sun. S, S, sun. S, S, star. S, S, star. S, S, star. S, S, snake. S, S, snake. S, S, snake. S, S, starfish. S, 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 starfish. Okay. S, sound of S is S. Sound of S is S. S, S, starfish. S, 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 starfish. S, S, seven. S, S, seven. S, S, seven. S, S, spider. S, S, spider. S, S, spider. S, S, spoon. S, S, spoon. S, S, spoon. Okay. S, S, sun. S, S, star. S, S, snake. S, S, starfish. S, S, seven. S, S, spider. S, S, spoon. Okay, we have learned sound of letter S, and sound of letter S is S, 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 sun. S, star. S, snake. S, starfish. S, seven. S, spider. S, spoon. Okay, what we have learned? We have learned sound of S, and sound of S is S, and sound of S is S. Okay, now we will learn sound of letter T, and sound of letter T is T, and sound of letter T is T, and sound of letter T is T. How you will say? The sound of letter T is T, 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 T. You also repeat after me. T, T, T. The sound of letter T is T, T, T. Repeat after me. The sound of letter T is T, T. The sound of letter T is T, T. Okay. T. Okay. T for number 10, number 2, number 3, number 10. Okay. The sound T for tree. Tree. T for table. T for table. T for tap. T for tap. T for truck. T for truck. T for thumb. T for thumb. T for tiger. T for tiger. T for teacher. T for teacher. T for train. T for train. T for train. Okay. So the sound of T is T. The sound of T is T. 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 10. T. T. 10. T. T. 10. T. T. 10. T. T. Tree. T. T. Tree. T. T. Tree. T. T. Tree. T. T. Table. T. T. Table. T. T. Table. T. T. Table. T. T. Tap. T. T. Tap. T. T. Tap. T. T. Truck. T. T. Truck. T. T. Truck. T. T. Thumb. 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 T. T. Tiger. T. T. Tiger. T. T. Teacher. T. T. Teacher. T. T. Teacher. T. T. Teacher. T. T. Train. T. T. Train. T. T. Train. Okay. So we have learned, today we have learned sound of letter S and T. The sound of S is S, S, and sound of letter T is T, T. Sound of letter T is T. Okay. Once we will revise again. T, T, 10. T, T, tree. T, T, table. T, T, tap. T, T, truck. T, T, thumb. T, T, tiger. T, T, teacher. T, T, train. Okay. T, T, 10. T, T, tree. T, T, table. T, T, tap. T, T, truck. T, T, thumb. T, T, tiger. T, T, teacher. T, T, train. Okay. So we have learned phonics sound of letter S and T. Phonics sound of letter S and T. So we will repeat once again, and after that we will revise all the phonics sound from letter S to T. A to T. Okay. All of you fold your hands. Don't make noise. And sit properly. Repeat after me. S, sun. S, sun. S, spear. S, spoon. Okay. T, tent. T, tree. T, table. T, tap. T, truck. T, thumb. T, tiger. T, teacher. T, train. Okay. Now we will revise phonics sound of letter A to S. What we will revise? We will revise all the phonics sound of letter A to S. Okay? Yes. So all of you look at the board. Yes, all of you sit straight. Fold your hands and sit straight. And now you have to repeat after me. Okay. What you have to do? You have to repeat after me. Okay. A, A, B, B, C, C, A, B, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, H, G, H, I, E, J, J, K, 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 L, L, M, 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 N, 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 O, 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 P, P, Q, 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 R, R, S, S, T, 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 okay. What we have learned? We have revised. We have learned phonics sound from letter A to T. And now we have revised all the phonics sound. Okay. What we have done? We have revised all the phonics sound from letter A to T. Again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, Okay, so what we have done today, we have learned phonics sound of letter from letter A to T. Okay, now I am giving you homework. What I am giving you? Homework. Okay, so this is your book. This is your book. We have done till letter C. We have done till letter C. So after C, what will come? We have done till letter lowercase letter C. So you have to complete page number 13. This is your homework. Page number 13. Your homework is page number 13, letter D. You have to complete letter D and small e also, and small e also. Okay, so complete your work and do practice at your home. Till then, bye and have a nice day.